Hi kids, welcome to our fun learning time on YouTube. Today, we're going to learn 50 action words we use every day, like jump, run, eat, sleep, and more. Are you ready to move, learn, and have fun? Let's go learn our daily action words together. Now we see action word run. Run means to move your legs fast to go quickly. Example, I run fast in the playground. Now we see action word climb. Climb means to go up something using your hands and feet. Example, I can climb the jungle gym. Now we see action word hide. Hide means to go where no one can see you. Example, let's hide during the game. Now we see action word jump. Jump means to push yourself up into the air using your legs. Example, the frog can jump high. Now let's see, walk. Walk means to move forward using your feet, one step at a time. Example, we walk to school every day. Now let's learn, sit. Sit means to rest your body on something like a chair or the ground. Example, please sit on the chair. Now let's see, stand. Stand means to be on your feet without sitting or lying down. Example, I stand in line to wait for the school bus. Next action word is clap. Clap means to hit your hands together to make a sound. Example, let's clap for the winner. Next action word is dance. Dance means to move your body to music in a fun or special way. Example, she loves to dance to music. Next action word is sing. Sing means to make music with your voice. Example, I sing songs in music class. Next action word is talk. Talk means to use words to say something to someone. Example, we talk with our friends. Now we see action word listen. Listen means to use your ears to hear sounds or what someone is saying. Example, I listen to music while tidying up my things in the classroom. Next we going to see action word eat. Eat means to put food in your mouth and chew it. Example, I eat an apple every morning. Next we going to see action word drink. Drink means to take liquid into your mouth and swallow it. Example, he drinks milk every night. Next we going to see action word sleep. Sleep means to rest your body and mind with your eyes closed. Example, I sleep early every day. Next we going to see action word read. Read means to look at words and understand what they say. Example, I read a storybook at bedtime. Next we going to see action word write. Write means to make letters or words on paper with a pen or pencil. Example, he can write the alphabet from A to Z. Next we going to see action word draw. Draw means to make pictures using a pencil, crayon, or marker. Example, she can draw a nice flower. Next action word is color. Color means to fill a picture with crayons, markers, or paint. Example, I color the picture with crayons. Next action word is open. Open means to move something so you can see or go inside it. Example, open the door slowly. Next action word is close. Close means to shut something so it is not open anymore. Example, close your book after reading. Next action word is throw. Throw means to use your hand to send something through the air. Example, she can throw the ball very far. Next action word is catch. Catch means to stop something that is moving by holding it with your hands. Example, catch the ball with both hands. Next action word is kick. Kick means to hit something with your foot. Example, he can kick the ball far. Next action word is push. Push means to move something away from you by using your hands or body. Example, push the door to open it. Next action word is pull. Pull means to bring something closer to you using your hands or body. Example, pull the rope gently. Next action word is lift. Lift means to pick something up and raise it higher. Example, lift the box carefully. Next action word is look. Look means to use your eyes to see something on purpose. Example, look at the stars in the sky. Next action word is smile. Smile means to show you are happy by turning up the corners of your mouth. Example, she has a beautiful smile. Next action word is cry. Cry means to let out tears when you are sad, hurt, or upset. Example, she cries when she falls down. Next action word is yawn. Yawn means to open your mouth wide when you're tired or sleepy. Example, he yawns when he is sleepy. Next action word is wash. Wash means to clean something using water and soap. Example, wash your hands before eating. Next action word is brush. Brush means to clean or smooth something using a brush. Example, I brush my teeth every morning. Next action word is cook. Cook means to make food by heating it. Example, Mom cooks dinner for us. Next action word is clean. Clean means to make something free from dirt or mess. Example, we clean our classroom together. Next action word is drive. Drive means to control and move a car or other vehicle. Example, Dad drives the car safely. Next action word is ride. Ride means to sit on something like a bike, scooter, or horse and go somewhere. Example, I ride my bicycle in the park. Next action word is swim. Swim means to move through water using your arms and legs. Example, I swim in the pool in summer. Next action word is shout. Shout means to say something very loudly. Example, don't shout in the library. Next action word is wave. Wave means to move your hand back and forth to say hello or goodbye. Example, wave goodbye to your friend. Next action word is build. Build means to make something by putting parts together. Example, we build a tower with blocks. Next action word is count. Count means to say numbers one by one to know how many things there are. Example, let's count from 1 to 10. Next action word is hop. Hop means to jump on one foot or both feet quickly. Example, the bunny can hop fast. Next action word is hide. Hide means to go somewhere so no one can see you. Example, let's hide during the game. Now we see action word search. Search means to look carefully for something. Example, search for your lost pencil. Now we see action word fold. Fold means to bend something like paper or clothes to make it smaller. Example, I fold my clothes neatly. Now we see action word jump. Jump means to push yourself up into the air using your legs. Example, jump over the rope. Now we see action word jog. Jog means to run slowly and steadily. Example, I jog around the park with my dad. Now we see action word roll. Roll means to move by turning over and over on a surface. Example, roll the ball to your friend. Now we see action word dig. Dig means to move soil or sand with your hands or a tool to make a hole. Example, I dig a hole in the sand. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you next time for more fun action words.